So we start off today's video with this amazing hair transformation. The stylist adds some curtain bangs to this beautiful modern shoulder length bob haircut style. Her hair has so much body and volume. I love it. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So the next style is going to feature some 90s inspired layers. This, of course, is another very popular hair trend that we are seeing in 2023, with many different variations to this particular look and trend. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have the shaggy mullet style. Now this is a very popular modern hair trend that we're seeing as well, the combination of the shag and the mullet. Very nice cool girl vibes with that cut. And then we have a long to short transformation. So it looks like she's going to be getting a bob with this one. Oh, wow, look at the curls that the stylist added. This is absolutely gorgeous. A nice angled bob, and her hair is so thick and full. So then we have another mullet inspired style. Oh, really loving the shape and texture of this one. Beautiful. And I personally tend to like the mullet shags that are shorter. I just think that they look so pretty. Next up, it looks like we have another long to short. So it looks like she's interested in getting a mullet as well. Let me know in the comments below, is a mullet a hairstyle that you would try out? I hope that she keeps her hair color because I do like that bold contrast. Oh, yes, love it. So pretty. And she dyed the blonde red. Wow. I actually really like it with the red too. Very cute. There's definitely like retro glam vibes with this particular style. Very, very cute. So then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she wants to get a pixie. Beautiful angled bangs going there in the front. I love how this shows off her cheekbones. So here we have someone who has decided to turn things up by going brighter and lighter. So that was the first dyeing process, and now she's back in for another color refresh. When you're going from like really dark to light, it does take time. And most of the time it isn't done in one day session. It's usually spread throughout a period of time. So it looks like she got a little bit of a shaping with some bangs, curtain bangs. And she's now bright blonde, gorgeous. I actually like when people dye their hair blonde and they leave a little bit of the darker root. I think it looks more natural to me, but that's just my personal preference and opinion. So here we have someone, it looks like she is going with the orange copper trend here. Oh, kind of looks like a strawberry blonde. Very pretty. And then we have someone with this gorgeous purple pink colored hair, but she is going to dye it to something a little bit more natural. And she went with this beautiful sandy brown shade. Now, as much as I did love the purple, I think that this color looks beautiful on her. Absolutely stunning transformation. Alright, you guys, so if you did enjoy today's hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll of course see you in the next one.